Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both the Mac and the USB drive so the rest is smooth. First, plug in a 16 GB or larger flash drive and confirm the exact installer file name and location you downloaded. Once done, open Disk Utility to format the drive as Mac OS Extended, Journaled, or Apps and set GUID partition map. This creates the proper bootable container. Make sure you temporarily disable File Vault or Secure Boot features if the Mac requires it, because those settings can block bootable drives. Now you create the bootable volume. If you have a Mac OS installer, use Terminal and run the create install media command with sudo. Replace the path to your Install Mac OS app and point to the mounted USB. This copies system files correctly. For other OS ISOs, use Bailna Etcher or UNetbootin, choosing the ISO and target USB, then start and authorize the write. Once the process finishes, Terminal or the app reports completion. Do not remove the drive. Eject it safely to avoid corrupting the boot image. To finish, you boot from the USB and complete the install or troubleshooting tasks. Restart the Mac and hold Option Alt during startup to open the Startup Manager. Choose the external drive and press Enter. Once booted, follow the installer or utility prompts, selecting the correct internal drive and options. This ensures you don't overwrite the wrong volume. If the USB doesn't appear, reset NVRAM/PRAM. Try another USB port or a different flash drive and recreate the media. Often the issue is a bad stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.